park actually. It's actually beautiful. Beautiful background. What goes here? Soccer or football? For people that just want to play. Yeah, it kind of does look like horse races. They should probably put horse races here. And like a fence. If they want.
It on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed.
Alright guys, so that is it for today. If you like this video, well, mini video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Here to party, don't want it to end.